Electric aviation celebrated yet another milestone on 20th May 2020, a successful maiden flight of all electric passenger aircraft which has ever taken off. So you are watching eCharge and let's dive into the details of this historic event. According to International Council on Clean Transportation, commercial aviation accounts for about 2% of global carbon emissions. For the transportation sector as a whole, it is responsible for around 12% of all carbon dioxide emissions. So, in a bid to reduce the environmental impact of aviation, some airlines, such as KLM Airlines, have used biofuels to power their airplanes. The last few years have also seen a number of innovative aircraft complete those journeys. But electric powertrain has altogether its own benefits and most importantly it is cost effective. So an all electric version of one of the world's best known small utility plane, the Cessna 208B Grand Caravan, hummed through its first flight at Moses Lake in Central Washington, US. The completion of a successful initial flight was announced by Magnix, the company powering the E-Caravan, and Aerotech, an aerospace testing engineering and certification company. So, at Redmond, Washington, Magnix and Seattle-based Aerotech were in charge of this test, which focused on the performance of E-Caravan, which is based on Cessna 208B Grand Caravan powered by Magnix 750 horsepower Magni 500 propulsion system. This first flight of the E-Caravan is yet another step on the road to operating this middle mile aircraft at a fraction of the cost with zero emissions from and to smaller airports. This historic flight lasted for about 30 minutes. The E-Caravan's first flight, which took off on time, landed on time, and retained 10% more energy capacity than expected. It was intended to demonstrate how mature the electric propulsion technology is and how ready the world is. This aircraft took off from an airport in Moses Lake, Washington on 28th May and used a 750 horsepower all-electric motor developed by Magnix. For now, the 30 minutes of continuous flight is enough to cover about 100 miles of distance at about the cruising speed of 240 miles per hour. Now let's look at the cost of the flight, or rather the operation cost of the flight. So as per estimates, the E-Caravan would reduce the operating cost by 40 to 80% per flight hour. This significantly reduces the cost. This 30-minute test flight, which would normally consume jet fuel exceeding about $300 in cost, used less than $6 worth of electricity. I'll repeat, this 30-minute test flight, which could normally consume about $300 worth of jet fuel, just used less than $6 worth of electricity. How powerful this is! So, this demonstration follows another important flight which took on December 2019, where a smaller Magnix plane, in collaboration with regional shuttle airline Harbour Air, flew for about 15 minutes in Vancouver, Canada. In fact, Magnix and Harbour First announced their plans to partner and make Harbour the world's first all-electric airplane. So if you look at the airline data for the last year, 5% of all worldwide airline flights were 100 miles or less. So the demand is clearly there. We are talking about 2 million flights or more, depending on if you include cargo and sub-regional. And we start using electric aircraft in that range and grow from there. But fully electric retrofits of widely used airframes like the Cessna Caravan may begin to impact aviation within just a few years. And once passengers experience the luxurious, the quietness, the emission-free, the vibration-free reality of electric propulsion flight, they will surely begin to demand it. So that's it for today on this historic great news. This is eCharged signing off. Let me know your comments in the comment box and your views, and if you really like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.